Hello everybody, welcome once again to my channel. Before we continue this video, I want to say a very big thank you to all of you for making it happen for me to get 100 subscribers on YouTube. Please keep up the good work, like our videos, subscribe to our channel and share our work if you like it. Okay, in today's session I'm going to teach on how to download any course you have registered on Udemy for free, absolutely free, just by downloading this app, which I'm going to paste the link inside the description, so make sure to check out the description. But first, follow the steps to install. Okay, so this is the app. It's called Udemy. All you need to do is open the app after downloading. Okay, so it just started installing. You just have to have patience and wait a little while for it to complete. Okay, so it finished installing. Let's open the app. Let's check it out for ourselves, how to configure this app to be able to download our courses from Udemy absolutely free. Okay, so it's opened and then you have to press this green button. Unless you are using Udemy Business, you just have to click this button, log in using credentials. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's log in and wait. As you can see, it has allowed me to enter into my Udemy account and giving me all the list of courses I've registered for. So all I need to do to download the course is just pressing this download button, and then it will start downloading. One good thing about this app is whenever it starts downloading something, it compiles everything into one folder. So cartoon character modeling folder, you see, it will just rearrange everything for you, so no need to rearrange anything. Okay, enough. Just go into the description section, download the app, follow the steps, and then you are good to go. Thanks for your time. Again, please remember to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and share our work. Thanks very much.